Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now. Shut off the pump and remove the well cap so you can access the drop pipe. Measure the well depth and static water level to calculate total gallons. This determines how much bleach to add. Once calculated, mix the required 5% 12% household bleach in a clean container and pour it down the well. Then run the chlorine solution into plumbing at every faucet until you smell bleach. This ensures the disinfectant contacts the entire water column. Once the bleach reaches fixtures, you must circulate to disinfect biofilm and casing surfaces. Start at the highest outlet and work down. Run both cold and hot taps until you detect bleach at every fixture, which confirms distribution. Now allow contact time. Leave the system idle or recirculate for 6 to 24 hours depending on contamination severity. Make sure free chlorine stays elevated, around 50 parts per million where practical, because longer contact ensures pathogen kill and loosens deposits for removal. After contact time, you must flush the system thoroughly. Open faucets and run water until there is no bleach odor and chlorine readings fall to background levels. This can take hours or longer. Then collect samples for bacteriological testing and confirm chlorine residual is negligible before normal use. If tests still show coliforms or you detect ongoing odors or staining, repeat the shock disinfection or consult a well professional. Sometimes
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.